The first thing to do in this Capstone project is to find a carbon emissions scenario history that keeps the global temperature down below 3 degrees. So this model comes loaded with this carbon emissions history here, which is the red line here. And you can see that if you look at the plot here, the temperature actually rises too high in this scenario, 4.5 degrees. So you go in and you change this. Let's lower this emissions history. We'll do something like this. Doesn't matter how we're just fiddling around here. Okay, and then you run the model like that and see what happens. And so it looks like here we've kept the temperature. We're getting a little bit closer here. So 3.22, still too high in the emissions. So you have to adjust the emissions history until you get the global temperature down below 3 degrees warming. And then once you've done that, you want to make sure that this emissions history has left us with enough fossil fuels that we could continue this level of emissions for a specified period of time. So all you have to do there is to take the total amount of fossil fuels left over, and that would be this this pink curve here is the second time I ran the model. We were left with 2,400 gigatons of carbon, which is quite a lot. And if we were to look at the final emissions rate here at about 2. So with this rate of burning 2 gigatons of carbon per year, we've got 2,400. We've got about 1,200 years of time. So we definitely have left ourselves with plenty of fossil fuels, so we can rely on them to a limited extent for a very, very long time indeed. So this is an okay and acceptable scenario from that standpoint. So this is step 1 of this process. Once you've done this, then you go on to step 2, and there'll be another video that will explain how to do that.